In today's fast paced business landscape, organizations must navigate uncertainty and make informed decisions to stay ahead of the competition. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are crucial in measuring progress and driving success. While lagging KPIs provide valuable insights into past performance, the leading KPIs are key to unlocking future achievements. Join us to explore the world of leading KPIs and discover how they can propel your business toward its goals. The power of leading KPIs. While traditional KPIs focus on analyzing historical data, leading KPIs provide organizations with a proactive approach by focusing on future success indicators. Again, historical data can be yesterday. Yesterday is in the past. There is not anything you can do about yesterday's performance. This is why it is a lagging KPI. By leveraging these forward looking metrics, businesses can gain a competitive edge and make data driven decisions that drive growth. Let's delve into leading KPIs and understand their significance across business operations, sales, and marketing. One of the critical drivers of business success is the ability to generate and convert leads. Leading KPIs in this domain include metrics like sales qualified leads, SQLs, and website traffic sources. By closely monitoring SQLs, organizations can assess their marketing efforts' effectiveness and identify improvement areas. Tracking website traffic sources allows businesses to identify the most successful marketing channels, optimize campaigns, and boost customer acquisition. Customer engagement. Building strong customer relationships is a paramount for the long-term success. Leading KPIs such as customer satisfaction scores, net promoter scores, or NPS, and customer retention rates provide insights into customer loyalty and engagement. By actively measure and improving these metrics, businesses can identify pain points, enhance customer experiences, and foster brand advocacy. Human resources. A motivated and engaged workforce is the backbone of any successful organization. Employee satisfaction and engagement are leading KPIs that gauge the workforce morale, productivity, and commitment. Metrics like Employee Net Promoter Score, NPS, and engagement surveys enable businesses to identify areas of improvement, create a positive work environment, and attract and retain top talent. If you have a high customer NPS and a low employee NPS, this is not good. A low employee NPS can mean one, employees may be looking for another job, or two, a possibilities the employee attitude will be shown to the customer. On one hand, you could be losing employees, good or bad. You will need to invest more time in training on new employees. On the other hand, you could lose customers. In this case, being employee centric, you may be able to save good employees and your customer base. Product development. Staying ahead of the curve regarding product innovation is crucial in today's dynamic markets. Leading KPIs related to product development, such as time to market, innovation pipeline, and research and development investment, helps organizations measure their ability to successfully bring new products or features to the market. By tracking these metrics, businesses can stay competitive and deliver value to their customers. Financial performance. Many of these financial factors are lagging instead of leading key performance indicators: days sales outstanding, days in inventory, total sales, average ticket, cash operating cycle, and others are all lagging key performance indicators. Funds deposited and credit card sales are lagging but are also leading indicators. Funds deposited can provide insight into how the month will look for sales. With daily credit card sales, this is another piece with the monthly sales and credit card fees. Leading KPIs are not a one-time endeavor. They require continuous monitoring, analysis, and adjustment. Businesses can fine-tune their strategies and adapt to changing market dynamics by establishing a feedback loop. Reviewing leading KPIs ensures they remain aligned with the organization objectives and drive meaningful progress. It empowers businesses to identify bottlenecks, seize opportunities, and pivot when necessary, leading to sustained growth and success. Leading KPIs are key to unlocking future success in today's dynamic business landscape. By leveraging these forward-looking metrics, organizations can anticipate trends, make proactive decisions, and steer their businesses toward growth. Whether it's driving sales, enhancing customer engagement, or optimizing internal operations, leading KPIs provide invaluable insights that enable businesses to stay ahead of the curve. Organizations must establish a culture of data-driven decision-making to harness the power of leading KPIs. This entails investing in robust data collection and analysis systems, fostering cross-functional collaboration, and empowering employees to take ownership of their respective KPIs. By aligning the entire organization around a standard set of leading KPIs, businesses can create a cohesive and focused approach toward achieving their goals. If you are finding value in this video, please hit the like button and click on the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified when a video drops. At No One Plans to Fail, we discuss inventory management, policies and procedures, and planning, hence the name, No One Plans to Fail. Below this video in the description is a link to receive a guide for leading indicators. Don't forget to get your copy today. Let's return to the main topic, leading key performance indicators. It's essential to note that not all leading KPIs are created equal. Each business will have unique key metrics directly impacting its success. Identifying the most relevant and impactful leading KPIs for your specific industry, market, and strategic objectives. Consider your organization goals and challenges and select the indicators that will provide the most actionable insights. Furthermore, leading KPIs should be regularly monitored, analyzed, and shared across the organization. Use data visualization tools and dashboards to ensure the information is easily accessible and comprehensible to stakeholders at all levels. This facilitates a culture of transparency and accountability where everyone is aware of the progress and can make informed decisions based on the real-time insights. Incorporating leading KPIs into strategic planning and performance reviews can also be highly beneficial. By tying these indicators to individual and team goals, employees are motivated to actively contribute towards achieving them. Regularly evaluating and discussing progress on leading KPIs during performance reviews allows for constructive dialogue, and enables course correction if necessary. There is a downside to using the leading key performance indicators result as part of the employee performance review. Many times an employee will concentrate on meeting these metrics. Nothing more, nothing less. Why is this bad? What if the salesperson hit the number of orders and sales goal but failed at customer service responses? As if the salesperson wanted to make the sale but did not want to service the customer as needed or required. The salesperson has the opportunity to make a sale or help a customer. Even though the sales opportunity has a 20% chance of success, he will take the chance on the sale. Why? Because that is where his review targets meets his success. It is essential to recognize that leading KPIs are not standalone measures of success. They should be used with lagging KPIs to provide a comprehensive view of business performance. Lagging KPIs, which focus on historical data, provide insights into the outcomes and results of past actions. By combining leading and lagging indicators, organizations can understand their operations holistically, identify patterns, and make informed decisions that drive sustainable growth. Businesses should not view them as static measures to harness the potential of leading KPIs. They should be seen as dynamic and adaptable indicators that evolve alongside the organization goals and market conditions. Regularly reassessing and refining leading KPIs ensure their relevance and effectiveness in driving success. Additionally, it's essential to establish benchmarks and set realistic targets for leading KPIs. These benchmarks serve as a reference point for measuring progress and provide a basis for comparison against industry standards or competitors. Setting ambitious yet achievable targets help motivate employees and provide a clear direction for improvement. Leading KPIs can also be early warning signs for potential issues or opportunities. By closely monitoring these indicators, organizations can detect shifts in market trends, customer preferences, or operational inefficiencies. This enables them to take proactive measures and make them timely adjustments to their strategies, avoiding potential pitfalls or capitalizing on emerging opportunities. In the pursuit of leveraging leading KPIs effectively, organizations should foster a data-driven culture. This entails collecting and analyzing data and promoting a mindset that encourages experimentation, learning, and continuous improvement. Encouraging teams to explore new ideas, test hypotheses, and iterate based on data insights can lead to innovative solutions and breakthrough performance. Furthermore, collaboration across departments is vital in maximizing the impact of leading KPIs. Siloed approaches hinder the holistic understanding of organization performance and limit the potential for synergy. By fostering cross-functional collaboration and sharing data insights, organizations can uncover hidden relationships, identify interdependencies, and drive coordinated efforts toward shared objectives. In conclusion, leading KPIs are instrumental in guiding organizations toward future success by providing forward-looking insights by actively monitoring and leveraging these indicators. Businesses can make data-driven decisions, optimize their operations, and remain agile in a rapidly changing business environment. Cultivating a culture that embraces leading KPIs, setting realistic targets, and fostering collaboration across the organization ensures the effective utilization of these metrics. Remember, the journey towards success is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring, analysis, and adaptation of leading KPIs to stay ahead of the competition and achieve sustainable growth. We are at the end of the video. Don't forget to grab your free copy on leading key performance indicators below in the description. Please help me with the algorithm by hitting the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to be notified when a future video drops. I am your host, David, at No One Plans to Fail, where we discuss inventory management, policies and procedures, and planning. Hence the name, No One Plans to Fail. Thank you. Have a great day and be safe.